Y'all want to know the real struggle of someone who is a content creator, vlogger, or making video? It's the aftermath. The setup is fun and all good and stuff, but the aftermath where you have to clean up everything, like all these lights, all these tripods. I even had to move my couches around. Oh man, just to get the settings right, just to even get the room and lighting and everything. The worst part is when you have to clean up, and it's such a mess. But that is what a content creator goes through every day. We gotta make room for our videos. We gotta set up, and we gotta tear everything back down, and that is the worst. Look at this. I have to look at all this mess. I mean, it's probably not the worst as other people, but it's still a struggle. It's still a struggle.